Hello, I'm about to take a look at the mountains from the upper part of our yard, and I imagine we're going to see a lot of snow on those hills. So here's the path that I created along the way, and it's wet. How fun, how fun, how fun. And green grass with all of the rain that we've had. It certainly has added a wonderful color to the yard. And now, let's see what we've got up here. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. Yep. The mountains are spectacular. Oh, look at that hawk. Oh, what a treat. How fun. Here it is. Fun, fun. Isn't that cool? God is so good. He does all things well.